course, my name is Ila Sabillo and I'm your host. Maraming salamat po for celebrating with us. And truly, Eliza K, you are a blessing. So much for being with us, for celebrating with us. Tayo'y man! Grabe naman ang team! Uy! Just thinking of...
Tatapunin niyo dito. Thank you po sa pag-accept po ng invitation ko po. Happy birthday!